I've been doing business to consumer sales since I was 12 years old. And it got to the point of where every month was a new month, and it was always just as stressful as the month before. It didn't matter if I had a great month the last month, because I had to start all over, and I was sick and tired of starting over. So I wanted to find a business that was business to business, and I could create a relationship with somebody, add value to them, and help them grow their business while growing my business at the same time. And I found Title.
Hi, my name is Harrison Beecher with Coalition Properties Group and Keller Williams Capital Properties. I'm so excited to be in business with Eastern Title because they close anywhere, anytime, and they're always supporting our business and helping us reach new heights with what we want to do.
I am Tina Del Castelli with Sandy Spring Bank, and I'm very excited to share with you one of the reasons why I chose to work with Eastern Title. They're not just the regular run-of-the-mill title company. They believe in helping a lender grow their business. So what they're all about is, if I help you get deals, you help me get deals. And that is what our industry is all about, building relationships.
It's hard to find a company that would actually match with my work habits. I'm very pleased with the outcome with Eastern Title, so looking forward to our partnership and growing. I'm Juan Menzer, and I love working with Eastern Title.
Hi, I'm Dan Bernstein. I'm a real estate agent in the DC Metro, and I work with Eastern Title. They go above and beyond for all my clients, and I highly recommend you give them a try.
Why Eastern Titles? It's important for us as developers to have a reliable company that we can count on. We can just pick up the phone, explain to them what we were working with. Having multiple locations for us to be able to close on different locations is very important. Pure example of it today, my partner closed in Fairfax location. I'm here in Rockville location, closing on the same property in the same day. So it works out perfectly for us.
So over a year and a half ago, we were a mid-sized, small title company, and we want to be bigger. And I just put in my mind that we're going to have major growth plans. And how are we going to do that? We have to have something that shows us that we're the best. And we're so much better than everybody else out there. And what we did is we just started putting a lot of effort in our marketing and our growth plans so that we could be very versatile and add value to our clients. I'm Josh Green. I'm the owner and founder of Eastern Title and Settlement and the executive producer of Real Estate Top Performers. And we want you to be doing business with us in 2020.